All right, well, it's finally done. The Jacksonville project that took us about 3 months. We got a little delayed because of the WDO work, the wood destroying pest organism work. So WDO are basically insects, termites, any type of different insects within a region that will do damage to wood. And in Florida, because of both the humidity in the air and the insects, the bugs, there's some wood damage that occurs. In fact, we make it a rule now, and it's been this way for a little while, but it didn't look on the surface so bad with this project, so we took it on anyway. But we do not do wood-sided homes anymore. We don't take that on, that type of a headache. This one, unfortunately, came to us through decent marketing channels, and we couldn't say no to it. And honestly, on the face of it, we did do an analysis on the exterior, thought we were okay in terms of only having limited damage, but more was uncovered, and then it ended up being significant. It ended up not costing as much as it did money as it did time, and time is also money. As you know, there's capital costs in owning these projects. So let's go ahead and take a look as we walk through the property. The transformation is significant. Now, as you walk in, you'll notice fresh paint everywhere. Let's go to the left here. This is the primary suite. New flooring everywhere, of course. Painted the baseboards, the walls, contrasting color. As you remember, this bathroom here, the shower had a lot of wood damage due to seeping moisture, basically water that went into the subfloor and damaged it. We repaired all of that, new vanity, new mirrors, looks great. The closet area didn't really have to do much, we just had to paint it. New fan, of course. As you walk in here, this is a bedroom we made. We created this bedroom. It was a den that accessed the kitchen, that accessed the living room. And so we took a piece of the square footage from the kitchen, made that closet, and closed off this wall here to the living room. And now you can see we made a fourth bedroom, and still ample, tremendous amount of room for the living room. That fireplace there, we just cleaned it up, but left it as is, put a little mantle on it, and we opened up this doorway into the kitchen. I mentioned that last time. Ooh, do a full circle there. Got me a little dizzy just going through the video. All right, so new appliances. I mentioned before, the kitchen cabinets were in excellent shape. We kept them as is. We just painted them. It looked a really nice color that's complementary to the floors and the rest of the house. Put in new stone countertops, new baseboards throughout, new sink, and you can see there that's where the closet area was that we for that bedroom that we made, took out of this area. All right, this bedroom to the left here didn't do much, just painted it, touch-ups. This bathroom here, if you remember, we painted the cabinet because it was in great shape, put a new vanity mirror in, new lighting, epoxied that shower, looks good, new lighting like I mentioned. That shower looks great, the tile all nice and fresh white. And over here with the final bedroom, same thing, new flooring, new fan, painted it throughout. Closet doors painted, reattached it, new door handles, and if you'll notice, here's one place where people skimp. They don't put the hinges, they don't change the hinges. We changed the hinges, and of course, new AC vents throughout. Beautifully painted door and full transformation on this flip that we did. Our original budget was going to be between 35 and 40. We ended up coming in at exactly 40 with the repair requests. Came out on the market at 269, and in the first weekend, we got a great agent. The first weekend, we were already in escrow at above list price, at $6,000 above list price, I believe around $6,000. But of course, in today's market in Jacksonville, this price point, the buyers are asking for concessions. What does that mean? They're asking for closing cost credits. They're asking for you to take care of some of their costs, maybe do a buy down on their rate. And this has actually now become a customary practice in this market. Not in all markets. As you guys know, I'm in Los Angeles. In Los Angeles, we are not giving out concessions yet. And that's not to say that we won't, but in Jacksonville, in this price point, we are. Wonderful, wonderful flip. Provided a beautiful home, beautified the neighborhood. This is the 32205 zip code in the city of Jacksonville, Florida. Been there for over 10 years. Have any questions on renovating your home? Have any questions on how to properly market your home? We definitely staged this home. You'll see the pictures with staging. Just follow me, subscribe, like my content, please. And you'll see more of what we do, how we do it. Everybody have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.